Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stopped by because you're curious what we received in the March 2022 AIA Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so you may be wondering, hey Julie, why you not wearing any makeup? Well, for once, I actually remember and know who the influencer is for this box. This is from Keys, which is Alicia Keys' skincare line. And also to support Alicia Keys, she doesn't wear makeup. So, it's a win-win. And I'll be able to try on whatever comes in this box. This box weighs like more than other boxes that are skincare. I don't know what's so heavy in it, or maybe I'm just weak today. I think I threw my shoulder out when I tossed it up. I kid. But let me stop rambling, find a pair of scissors, and dive into this box. Let me know, have any of you tried this brand before? I've only seen it a few times. I want to say maybe in a Nipsey box or a FabFitFun, and usually it's like a candle. Oh, is that why it's so heavy? I would love if I got a candle in this box. Okay, so for those who aren't aware, this is a monthly box now, and it retails for $35. You do get a card which shows you who the influencer is, because half the time I'm like, never heard of that person or brand. And yes, Keys Soulcare, and it's created by Alicia Keys. So, and a leading dermatologist. Okay, good, because Alicia, you are beautiful, zero makeup. But what do you know about skincare? You know how to get those Grammys, though. All right, enough rambling. What is the first item? Okay, so this is what's making this box feel so heavy. What is this? It is a golden cleanser, and it weighs 170 ml or 5.75 fluid ounces, and it is taped up. Isn't that cute? She has like a little old school key, skeleton key like graphic, and they tell you where you open it from, but what they don't do is provide the scissors for you. All right. Why am I opening this? I'm not going to be able to try out of a cleanser. Well, I guess we kind of want to look and see what the packaging looks like. Oh, wow. So this is real glass, which explains, even though the amount of ounces was 5.75, this is real glass and weighs a ton. It's beautiful. So on camera it looks black, but in the lighting I can see it's purple. And the cleanser inside, I don't know, it looks kind of like a pink rose. Oh gosh, I hope it doesn't smell like rose. Can I smell it by cheating? Does not smell like rose. Does not smell floral. Smells like clean beauty. I'm worse. Doesn't smell bad, but doesn't smell like, oh my God, that's the best smell ever. It smells like a cleaning solution for your face. All right, next item. Okay, this is also heavy. This is a Reviving Aura Mist, and it's 3.72 fluid ounces or 110 ml. Again, it has tape. Good job, Alicia, keeping all of your products safety sealed. That one opened better than the first item. Okay, same exact packaging. This one's kind of leaking a little bit. It's wet. Maybe it'll pick up. It's the same. It's purple. I wish you could see what I see through the glass. On camera, it's looking very black, but it is purple. Let's give it the mister a test. Seems to be fine. Does have a scent of I don't know what. All right, so let's give it a spritz. It's how I'll describe fine-ish. 80% was fine, but there's like one part of that I got a little in the face, but doable. I don't know why it's leaking, but that is lovely. Interesting. So the face mist says it's naturally rose scented, but isn't obnoxious. Maybe it's because it's natural. Because usually I can tell rose and it like, ugh. This wasn't my favorite scent, no, but it wasn't like, oh my God, rose giveaway. So I can use it. It retails for $22. The cleanser retails for $20. And I love that it has a pump. Lazy girl approved. It was unintentional, but next item, we're going from largest down to the smallest. This here is the LUMINOUS Exfoliator. Oh yes, I love exfoliating products. This here is 2.29 ounces or 65 grams. Again, it feels heavier than something that's that size. I'm going to presume same packaging and also glass bottle. Yes, again, it's, oh, that one, it looks more purple. So this here is glass. It does come safety sealed. Interesting packaging. Where is the pump or the squirter? I don't want to take this stopper out because Lord knows what I'll spill all over the place. Huh. Usually an exfoliator is like squeezy bottle, but this is glass and no pump. Interesting. Okay, so that product retails for $22. Wow, her product line, for how bougie the packaging is with the glass, very reasonably priced. All right, next item. What is this? We have a Promise Serum. Ooh, okay, and this is 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce. Again, this is glass and the same purple. Let's see what the consistency is like. Okay, so it's clear. Ooh, it squirts out. They all squirt out, but this one just came in one solid like line instead of drop. It has a very soft, subtle scent of nothing specific. It doesn't smell like roses, but I wouldn't be surprised if it said it has that natural rose in it. It's just not artificial and obnoxious. Okay. Went into the skin. Isn't tacky. I cannot stand tacky serums. What does that retail for? So the Promise Serum is a lightweight brightening serum with niacinamide, zinc PCA, and snow mushroom that helps control oil levels for a balanced, healthy look. It retails for $25. Now I'm concerned because I have dry skin. I didn't realize until after I used it that this is intended for those with oily skin. Someone leave me a comment and let me know if it's okay to use. All right, next item. What is this? We have Radiant Eye Cream. Oh, yes. And this is 15 grams, which when it comes to eye creams is standard, I would say. Some do come smaller with like 10 ml, 10 grams. Every blue moon you find one that's like 20, 25, but 15 is pretty standard. This is what the packaging looks like. Yes, and the purple is picking up on this one a little better. Also, this is a glass jar. That's what the cream looks like. It is thick. It's not running out. Thank goodness, because I was holding it upside down. Let's see if there's a scent. Her products have the most subtle, if any, kind of scent. And I don't even know if it's perfume or fragrance or just the ingredients. Not obnoxious. That's what I'm going with. Not obnoxious. All right, let's give this a try. All right, went into the skin. Let's read what the card has to say. So the Radiant Eye Cream retails for $28, which is super affordable for an eye cream. For her products, this is the most expensive item. And this is a hydrating under eye cream that locks in moisture and helps improve the look of fine, dry lines. It has peptides, sunflower seed oil, and gold foil. Gold foil? It's pure white. Is that like a name of a flower maybe? I don't know. And then the last item is this product here, which is a comforting balm. What is a comforting balm? You get 7.5 grams. Oh, is this going to be for the lips? Because if it's a makeup remover, that is tiny. No, it is not a lip balm, but actually it's for your face or body, and it contains camellia seed oil, rose of Jericho, avocado oil, and shea butter. I wonder if this is full size or deluxe sample. Interesting. This is what that product looks like. Definitely a balm. Oh, this one smells good though. I know you're gonna ask me, what does it smell like? It feels like, looks like, and is the size of a lip balm and smells like a lip balm. That's what it smells like. It reminds me of Carmex or Carmax, whatever that. I don't know what that'd be. Maybe like sweet, kind of an almond. It's not overly sweet, but smells lovely. Okay, now I need to know if I can put that on my lips because it's stuck on my finger. And something this size, where else would I put it? Well, I guess I have a dry elbow. I'll stick it there. The comforting balm retails for $12. So based off of the price and the size, I'm going to assume this is full size. Although, why is it just not called like a lip balm? If it looks like a duck, quacks like a duck, it's a duck. I don't know. All right, let's recap everything that came in this box. We got an all-over balm, a moisturizing eye cream, a face serum, an exfoliator, a hydrating mist, and a face cleanser. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, that was really hard to hold up. These are all glass bottles, very hefty, and yeah, hard to hold in the hands. I'm going to list the MSRP value. I'm questioning now why I wasn't wearing makeup other than to support Alicia Keys. There were less products that I thought I could throw on my face. Mainly, there were several that you have to use in the shower. But let me know, have any of you tried her products before? The packaging is beautiful and it's pretty bougie. Great price point. My only comment is everything is so similar. Like, I don't know, a little variety might have been nice. I'm also curious about this exfoliator. Why no pump? And I need to figure out if this is... Oh, wait a second. Blonde moment. I was thinking it was a physical exfoliator. This, I think you get a cotton, and yes, okay, that makes more sense. It's a chemical exfoliator. Still interesting packaging. All right, I'm starting to lose my mind and ramble. When that point in time comes, it's time for me to wrap up the video. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.